Hello mga kachupos! Hi mga kachupos!
Chupos, mahal ko kayo. Champion! Mwah.
Discovering exclusive event offer.
Hello mga ka-Chupos, at ngayon ay day 1 ng Philippine Wedding Summit at kasama po natin ang owner, si Ma'am Vanessa.
Hi, my name is Vanessa. I came from Japan to offer Roma Pink treatment here in Manila. This is the first ever treatment that will be offered here in the Philippines.
And ma'am, regarding sa pala sa inyong booth ma'am, is ano pala yung parang specialty para sa mga ating mga guests po dito ma'am?
Actually, I am a melanin expert that I can remove any melanin. Sa booth namin, we're having a salon sa Katipunan. In my salon, I can take off any melanin. For example, ng freckles, sunspot, I can remove it for just 1 or 2 seconds.
Nice.
And you cannot find that in other salon that existing here in the Philippines, I guess. That is a white love treatment. And also for the Roma Pink, I can bring back your normal color, natural color for the pinks, nipples, underarms, also the vagina spot, inner thighs, at saka sa tuhod at siko for just 30 minutes. And you don't need to come back anymore.
Nice.
For just 1 session, and it lasts for 3 years to 5 years.
And ma'am Vanessa, regarding pala sa event na to ma'am, syempre first time nyo mag-join ma'am, at regarding pala sa business nyo ma'am, if ever naman na nasa Japan po sila, may ganito rin po ba kayong business ma'am?
Sa Japan, I don't have any business line. Here only. Sa Japan, I'm having business consultancy services po. And I also have a company in India.
Nice. And ma'am, regarding pala sa bukod sa mga treatment ma'am, is ano pa pala yung mga other services or other products na meron po kayo ma'am?
Actually, we also have a nails, eyelash, at saka our signature is lymphatic drainage massage. I hope you can experience it next week.
And ma'am, regarding pala sa social media, just in case na hindi sila makapunta dito sa event na to ma'am, is ano pala yung isa-search nila ma'am?
Sherrylax 8 Beauty Lounge, or maybe you can find me, Vanessa Cheryl. I'm having an official account, verified one, so surely you can easily find me.
And once again, thank you ma'am Vanessa.
Thank you so much.
Hello, welcome mga chupos! Follow and subscribe chupos po sa Facebook niya.
Mga Chupos, just follow the Chupos vlog. Maganda po. God bless!
Magandang araw mga chupos! This is DJ Nicole Leal of 90.7 Love Radio.
Magandang araw mga chupol. Siyempre ako naman ang kumikinang ulo, Diego Bandido. Let's go!
Hello mga kachupos, Candy Veloso here. Hello mga kachupos, yan, subscribe na!
Hello mga ka-Chuples, kumusta kayong lahat? Ito po si Ronnie Liang.
Hello mga kachupos!
Hello sa inyo mga Kachupos.
Hello mga ka-Chupos, at ngayon ay day 3 ng Philippine Blockchain at kasama